Now we are saying the countries for the topics of we are discussed now. We are saying that first one is nature. Nature is nothing but which is the world around us is not made by the people. It's nothing but it's a nature. And components of the nature which are included in the nature is nothing but components of the nature, like example human beings, plants, animals and living organisms and non-living organisms. And nature in past. How the nature in the past we can discuss later, and nature at present. What situations is going on in the present? We are using many industrials and chemicals we are using for the our products, but it's very dangerous to our nature. So in present situation, what's the nature we will discuss. And conserve of the nature. Conservation is nothing but protection of the nature, which is around the world, which is around us. We can protect. How we can protect? We can discuss. And nature in future. Future, what's the nature? In nowadays, AI development, artificial intelligence is developing more and more. Our India also developing more and more. Why? But we have to conserve the nature. In future, we have to live a happily life because when we are conserving the nature, then we can live a happy life. Okay? And next slide. Nature. What is nature? It's nothing but collection of plants, animals, human beings, as living things and non-living things, which are present in the world. Is collection of nature. Is collection of all these things is nothing but nature. In nature, the subsystems are atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, biosphere. Atmosphere in the gases, different types of gases are there, like oxygen, hydrogen. Oxygen is very important to survive our life. And hydrosphere is nothing but water, is oceans, lakes, and the canals. Is preserving the water is most important because water is very essential for our life. To lead a life, we need the water, food, shelter, etc. And coming to the lithosphere. Lithosphere is land, metal, core, candle. It's nothing but it's about the land. And coming to the biosphere. Biosphere is including the human beings, plants, animals, which are living organisms is including in the biosphere. And coming to the next components of the nature. Components of the nature. There are the two components of the nature. One is biotic and one is abiotic. Biotic is nothing but living organisms which are present on the ecosystem, and abiotic is nothing but the living non-living organisms physically and chemically which are present in the ecosystem. And in the biotic there are the three types. One is producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers is nothing but which create the food by the using of the sunlight. Is example plants. And consumers is in the consumers best example is human beings. We are depending on the animals like plants. We are depending on the plants, animals. We are the consumers. Example. And coming to the decomposers. Decomposers is nothing but which are dead and decaying animals. It will be decayed by the microorganisms. So it's a decomposers. Abiotic is nothing but non-living organisms. Non-living organisms are very important to our life. Which are example air, water, soil. These are most important in our life. We are surviving our life by taking the oxygen. Am I right? Oxygen. We need we need to survive our life. We need to take the oxygen. So we are polluting the nature. It will be harmful to us because oxygen will be by the deforestation of the plants. It will be damage to our lives because it's plants will be providing the oxygen. Then it will be, if we are cutting the trees, then the oxygen will be reduced. Oxygen levels will be reduced. So we have to conserve the nature. And coming to the next PPT, next slide will be